prescribed by the Department of Education under the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum and are therefore entitled to the certificates of completion. Congratulations, you may now receive your certificates.
One of the messages that I would like to impart now is for those who have talents, please nurture your talent. Huwag niyo pong sayangin. Tulong po yan sa inyo. In order for you to retain and improve your talent, you have to share it to others. And as you share your talent to others and improve your talent as well,
growth often begins where familiarity ends. Whatever road you choose, embrace it. And with courage, purpose, and the belief that you are capable of greatness and that your family, friends, teachers are behind you. Responsible for the paths you take and the decisions you make. Remember this, it is okay to feel uncertain. What matters is that you keep moving forward, because sometimes it is the unexpected beginnings that lead to the most incredible stories.
Thank you, everyone. And let us all be reminded from Mahatma Gandhi when he said, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
Thank you for your unwavering support. Thank you for your love and sacrifice that have significantly contributed to this moment of achievement. This is your success too. And now you can give yourselves a tap in the shoulder for a job well done. And for being a part of this significant event. May God bless us all. Matago-tago takuamin. Palapalat kiton umin. Iyaman.